In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grant others an access to your account in Gmail. This feature is really useful if you want someone you trust, like an assistant or a teammate, to read and send emails on your behalf without sharing your password. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your Gmail inbox in a web browser on your computer. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the quick settings menu. After the menu opens, you'll see a few options, but what we want is the full settings page. Click on the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new page with several tabs across the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. On that row of tabs, look for the one labelled Accounts and Import. Click on Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail keeps all the options related to sign-in, sending mail, and granting access to your account. Once you're on the Accounts and Import page, scroll down until you find the section labelled Grant Access to Your Account. This is the area that allows you to let another person read and send mail on your behalf. Take a moment to read the short description there so you understand what kind of access you're giving. The person you add will be able to open your emails and send messages as you, but they will not be able to change your password or other security settings. In that same section, you'll see a link or button that says Add Another Account. Click on Add Another Account. A new window or prompt will appear asking you to enter the email address of the person you want to delegate access to. Make sure this is someone you fully trust, because they will have ongoing access to your inbox. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll type in the other person's email address, confirm your choice, and then Gmail will send that person an email invitation. They'll need to accept the invitation before they can start accessing your account. It may take a little time for the delegation to become active, and that's it. By following these steps, you can safely grant access to your Gmail account without ever sharing your password.